How to use your UHC UCard on Amazon 2026 guide. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use your United Healthcare UHC UCard on Amazon step by step. Before you begin, it's important to know that not every UHC UCard works on Amazon. Eligibility depends on your United Healthcare plan, and Amazon currently supports only certain eligible OTC benefit cards. If your UCard isn't supported, you may need to shop through the UCard Hub or United Healthcare app instead. Health Amazon Com1. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website or launch the Amazon shopping app on your phone. Then sign in to your Amazon account. Next, click **account**, then go to your payments ***. Select Add a payment method, then choose to add a debit or benefits card. Enter your UHC UCard information, including the card number, expiration date, security code if available, and the billing information associated with your card. Then click Add Card *** to save it. Health Amazon Com1. Once your card has been added successfully, search for the over-the-counter health products you need. Eligible products will display an ***, OTC benefits card eligible, *** badge on the product page. You can also use the ** OTC benefits card ** filter while searching to find covered items more quickly. Health Amazon Com1. Add your eligible items to your cart and proceed to checkout. During checkout, select your UHC UCard as the payment method. If your purchase includes both eligible and non-eligible items, Amazon may ask you to use another payment method to cover any remaining balance that isn't covered by your benefits. Health Amazon Com1. Review your order, then click * place your order ** to complete your purchase. If Amazon doesn't accept your UHC UCard, it may be because your specific United Healthcare plan isn't eligible for Amazon purchases. In that case, open the United Healthcare app or sign in to the UCard Hub to shop for covered products directly through your plan's approved shopping portal. Authorug 6 Broad, Adobcoms, Net2. Here's a pro tip. Before shopping, check your available benefit balance in the United Healthcare app or member website. This helps ensure you have enough credit to complete your purchase without any surprises at checkout. UG 3 Prod CD NAPA 4 BCBita Takekik Z01 Azurft Net 3. That's how you use your UHC UCard on Amazon. If your plan supports Amazon purchases, you can easily buy eligible OTC products using your available benefits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.